Hi everybody, welcome to the final assembly. This assembly is going to provide you with some information about September. It's also going to celebrate some of the things that you've been doing, and I've got lots of messages for you ahead of the summer break. So as you know, you've been working hard at home, and we've been monitoring how you've been getting on using the remote learning scores. The following students I'd like to really celebrate for being outstanding learners throughout this whole lockdown experience. So congratulations, if your name's on this list, you've proved that yourself as a great worker at home, really engaged with the activities and scored very highly week in, week out. So well done everybody. So thinking ahead to September, we are looking forward to welcoming you all back to school, but I need to let you know things are going to be a little bit different to what you're used to. We are having to operate what's called year group bubbles, and this is about keeping everybody as safe as possible but welcoming you back into school and getting your education in school going again. Each year group is going to be assigned an area of the school, so year 7 will be in science and year 8 in C block, year 9 will be in maths, year 10 in F block and year 11 in A block. All of your lessons will happen in your area and the teachers will come to you. So a very different setup, but a setup that allows you to stay within your year group and not mix with the other years. This will help to keep everybody safe and it will enable your lessons to go ahead as smoothly as possible. So as you know, we have a house system in school, but from September we're going to be operating a temporary year group system where you'll have heads of year. Mr Muir is going to look after year 7, Miss Fimbo Jeffrey is going to look after year 8, Mrs Bird is going to look after year 9, and Mr Perry is going to look after year 10. Miss Price, as normal, will look after year 11, and they'll be based in their year group system and they'll be there to help you with any queries or concerns that you may have. For your lessons, you will be provided with some of the equipment that you need, but it's advisable for you to bring the usual equipment, so pen, pencil, ruler, rubber and pencil sharpener, as well as a scientific calculator to help your lessons to go ahead as smoothly as possible in the different areas of the school. You'll also need to have with you a face covering and a plastic bag to store it in. That's important because the rules around the face coverings in the society is changing at the moment, and we expect in schools we may need them. So you've heard enough from me today so far. I've got lots of little messages for you to help you ease yourself into the summer holidays. So I'd like to pass over to some of my colleagues.
Hi 7ANC, it's Miss Churchward here. I just want to say how proud I am of all of you for completing your first year at TLA, and I just want to wish you a very happy and safe summer. Take care and I'll see you in September. Bye!
Hello 9ASB, it's Mrs Baker here. I've really missed you all. I just want to say well done for working hard in these really strange times we've been having. I hope you all have a really good summer, get some rest and relax, and I'll see you in September when you're in year 10. See you soon.
Hi 9NEL, it's Miss Locke here. Thank you for being a wonderful form this year and for all your hard work over lockdown. I hope you have a fantastic summer and I can't wait to see you all in September. Bye.
Hello 7DSH, Mr Hickey here. I hope you and your families continue to be safe and well. Just want to send you a quick message to say very well done on completing your first year at Thomas Lord Audley School. Right from September, you have faced many challenges, from entering a new school to having new teachers, making new friends, etc. And only in the last few months having to respond and adapt to online learning. Throughout the year, you have worked incredibly well. It's been a pleasure having you as a form group, and you always try your best and want to succeed. I'm immensely proud of all of you, and I look forward to seeing you back in school in September as year 8s. For now, have a great summer holidays, take care and enjoy.
Hello 8DBI, it's Mrs Biggins here checking in. I just want to thank you for all your hard work over this year. It's been lovely hearing from you each week and hearing the things that you've been up to, from charity runs and raising money, to bike rides, exercising, watching television box sets and all the reading that you've been doing. I want to wish you a very happy summer holiday and I really look forward to seeing you in September. Take care, stay safe and see you soon.
Hello 7ATC, just a quick little message to say how proud I am of you all for how well you've adapted over the last couple of months. Well done, thank you for keeping in touch with me. It's been lovely to see what you're up to. I hope you have an amazing summer and I'm really looking forward to seeing you again in September. Okay, see you soon, goodbye.
Hello 10NFL, it's Mr Lamb. I just wanted to say thank you for all of your hard work this year and to wish you a lovely summer holiday. I'm sorry I can't be there next year to see you through year 11, but I know you'll do great.
Good morning 7NEP, soon to be 8EP. Wow, how fast this year has gone. It's been so brilliant seeing the fantastic work that you've been up to and hearing weekly what you've been getting up to in your spare time, from cycling and canoeing to lots and lots of baking, which you know is my favourite. I'm sure you've all explored your community and you've been doing some fantastic things, and it's so wonderful to hear. I've missed you very much and I really look forward to seeing you in September. Have a wonderful summer. Bye.
Hi 7D, hey, just Miss Hemmings. Just want to say well done for all your hard work in year 7 this year, and I hope you have a lovely summer holidays. Keep safe and I will see you in September when you're year 8s.
Hi 10AVB, Mrs Barber here. Just wanted to take this opportunity to say hello to you all. I've seen some of you in school, which has been really lovely, but others of you I haven't seen since we left in March. Thank you for replying to all my emails. It's been lovely to chat to some of you. And really well done for all of your hard work with the home learning. You've done really well. I'm so proud of all of you, the way that you've coped with a difficult situation. It's the summer holidays now, so you can go out and have some fun. Be careful, be safe, look after each other, be kind. Have a lovely summer, and I'll see you in September when we will be in year 11. Bye-bye.
Good morning 8SJ. I just wanted to say a huge well done for all the hard work that you've been putting in when you've been learning from home for the last few months. I'm really excited for us to go back to school, and I'm really looking forward to tutor time where I'll be able to see all of you and I'll be teaching some of you English as well. Until then, I hope you have a really lovely summer holiday. So have fun, stay kind and stay safe.
Hello 9NCD, Miss D'Andrea here. I just want to say thank you for all your hard work over this year and wish you a lovely summer holiday. As you should already know, unfortunately I won't be with you in September. If that is news to you, then you need to go and check our Google Classroom for our form. I'm going to miss you guys greatly and wish you all the best for September. Be good. Bye.
Hi 8BAA, it's Mr Appleton here. I just wanted to send a quick message to wish you all a fantastic summer break. Well done, and thank you for all the hard work you've been doing from home. The break is well deserved. It's been great to hear from you all what you've been up to, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you back in school in September. Take care and see you soon.
Hi everyone, Mrs Moffat here. Just wanted to wish everybody a really happy summer, especially my form who have worked so hard over lockdown. I'm very proud of you all. and it's been a really weird start to your secondary school education. Take care, have a good holiday, see you in September.
I imagine it must have been really nice to see some of your tutors in those little video messages. I know they really do miss you, and they're looking forward to seeing you again in September. So too are the heads of house, who are looking forward to becoming heads of year, and they've got some messages for you also.
Good morning, Nelson, for the last time this term. I hope you're all keeping well, and I want to wish you all a lovely summer. I'm really sad that I will not be head of Nelson when we come back in September, but I will be head of year 9, and this is obviously due to year groups staying in their bubbles. I'm really excited to take on a new challenge, but I know September is going to be really hard for everyone. We're all still here for you at the school, so there is no need to worry. I just wanted to wish everyone a really, really safe and happy summer, and we can't wait to look forward to seeing you all in September. Bye for the summer.
Hello everyone, Mr Perry here in the Austin office, and possibly after just listening to Mr Essex and his announcements of what's happening when we come back in September, the last time you'll see me in the Austin office for quite a while. Haven't seen you all for so long, I can't actually believe that it was March since we were all last in the assembly together, or all last in the school as a whole school. It's been a very challenging time. What I coined at the time as unprecedented really did come true. But in order to keep traditions up, it's the end of term. I think it's a time to be happy, to embrace the summer. If we were in assembly, I'd be giving out certificates, and I've still got them, and I'm going to put them in a post. I've got the Stay Humble certificates for people in Austin, and I've also made up a new one, the AAA, the Austin Adaptable Award, which obviously will be going out to people that we think have coped and demonstrated real resilience and hard work in these challenging times. I want you all to have an amazing summer. I'm really excited about working with Year 10. Me and Mr Clutton are looking forward to being in our Year 10 team with all our tutors, and we really hope we have a great time when we're all back at school in September. Take care, bye bye.
Hi everybody, on behalf of myself, Mrs Mills and the Darwin tutors, I would just like to take this opportunity to say a huge thank you and well done to the students of Darwin House. We certainly didn't imagine that we'd be finishing the academic year in the way that we have, and to effectively have only completed half of it within the school is a bit surreal when we look back on it. I know a number of students have produced some absolutely outstanding and fantastic pieces of work. I've had additional emails sent to me from teachers praising students for the work that they're completing and for going above and beyond the expectations that we could possibly have for you at this time. Whether you feel you've achieved something from a work perspective or not, I really would urge you just to think, actually, I've done something here, not just for myself, but for society and for our local communities. We were asked to do something back in March, which is completely unheard of, really. And I think each of us should take something moving forward from this and know that we can pull together when it counts. So the 6 weeks are here. Make sure, particularly if you have been working incredibly hard, and there are a number of you in Darwin House who have had fantastic RL reports week upon week, that you take this opportunity to have a rest. I know that the tutors, if they could, would obviously be messaging you a lot more individually, but we really, really, really are proud of all of you and everything that you've managed to achieve during this time. Mr Essex has mentioned some of the changes that are coming from September, and obviously myself and Mrs Mills are very much looking forward to taking on the Year 8 and working with the tutors of Nelson and Austin, as well as Miss Hemmings and Mr Hickey and their tutor groups come September, and obviously working to make sure that you feel comfortable back in the building and that we're working together to make sure that we can get everybody back on track and where they need to be. To the rest of you, from a teaching perspective, obviously I'm looking forward to seeing you back in the building. I really enjoyed working with the Year 10s when I was back in a few weeks ago, and I've absolutely loved having contact with the students and their families that I have. It's been really nice to speak to some different people and hear how they've been getting on, and I wish you all an absolutely fantastic 6 weeks holiday. Obviously stay safe, be sensible, take care, and we'll see you in September. See you later.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Price here, Head of Year 11. I hope you're all enjoying your final assembly of the year. Firstly, I'd like to say I've been really impressed with the work that has been sent in via Google Classroom, any paper copies that you've had of work that you've done, and all of your homeschooling that you've been doing. I've been really enjoying looking at it all on the gallery, and I've been really impressed with the videos and photographs that I've been sent in too. So thank you very much and well done to all of you. Secondly, I'd like to welcome the Year 10s who are moving up to Year 11s in September. Welcome to the Year 11 team. For you guys, this isn't going to be any different to normal, the normal transition from Year 10 to Year 11, because usually at this point the Year 10s leave their house system and join us as a Year 11 team. So you'll have myself, Miss Price, as your Head of Year in September, and you'll have Mrs Robertson as your Assistant Head of Year. We're both really looking forward to you all coming back in September and you joining our Year 11 team so that we can help you through with college, applications, any interviews, and also your GCSEs. We are here to support you this year with anything that you need. We are really looking forward to working with you. I hope you all have a great summer and look forward to seeing you in September. See you soon.
So since the 20th of March, we've all been working in a very different way. I've quite enjoyed working at home, but I've found it's been very helpful to dress up as I would normally do for work, put on my shirt and tie, because I've been involved in lots of video meetings with different colleagues and people from other schools. So I am really looking forward to the summer holidays for some time to relax, and I hope you take time to relax and recover and get ready for the new year ahead. I'm looking forward to being able to put on some different clothes and not have to dress so smartly. I hope you have a great summer, take care of yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you in September. Bye! Bye!